Alfalfa sprouts. A delicate superfood. But how long do they truly last in your fridge? Let's uncover the secrets to fresh sprouts. These tiny greens are highly perishable. Their delicate structure and high moisture content make them prone to spoilage. Refrigeration is crucial. It slows down enzymatic activity and microbial growth, extending their brief shelf life. For maximum freshness, store alfalfa sprouts in their original packaging or a sealed plastic bag in the fridge. The bag creates a humid microenvironment, preventing dehydration while allowing some respiration. Maintain your refrigerator at 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.7 to 4.4 degrees Celsius. This temperature range is ideal for slowing spoilage. With proper storage, alfalfa sprouts typically last 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator after opening or purchase. Sprouts are susceptible to bacteria like Salmonella or E. coli. Always handle them with clean hands and tools. Freezing alfalfa sprouts is not recommended. The water content in their cells crystallizes, destroying their delicate texture. After thawing, frozen sprouts become mushy and lose their crispness, making them unappetizing for most uses. Trust your nose. A musty, sour, or ammonia-like odor is the first clear sign that your sprouts have gone bad. Look for sliminess. If the sprouts feel slick or have a slimy coating, they are no longer safe to consume. Yellowing, browning, or darkening of the sprouts indicates deterioration and potential spoilage. Any visible fuzzy white, black, or colored mold growth means immediate discard. Do not attempt to salvage them. When buying, choose sprouts that are crisp, bright, and free of moisture condensation in the packaging. Rinse sprouts gently under cold water just before serving. Pat dry thoroughly to avoid encouraging bacterial growth. Avoid cross-contamination. Use clean cutting boards and utensils. And keep sprouts away from raw meats. Enjoy sprouts quickly in salads, sandwiches, or wraps to savor their delicate flavor and nutritional benefits. Remember, refrigerate immediately, consume within 2 to 3 days, and discard at the first sign of spoilage for safety. Your vigilance ensures you enjoy the freshest, safest alfalfa sprouts every time. Stay fresh, stay healthy,